Welcome to another Encrypgen tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to purchase DNA. DNA is a cryptocurrency used to purchase genetic data on the gene chain genetic data marketplace. Researchers, pharmaceutical companies, and other medical professionals can use the Encrypgen gene chain marketplace to find the data they need for their specific research. To get started, you're going to need to buy some Ethereum. We recommend Coinbase.com for the easiest way to get started buying and storing your Ethereum coins. Coinbase will walk you through their easy setup and get you started. Now that you have your Ethereum, we're about ready to begin the swapping process, but first we're going to visit a website called Metamask.io in order to set up a wallet to handle the exchange of coins. Once you visit the site, choose either your Firefox or Chrome add-on and install it into your browser. This provides a secure way for you to store and swap coins on the Ethereum network. As we mentioned, you can use Chrome or Firefox, and then follow the instructions Metamask gives you in their introductory video to get your account set up and then to log into your account so that you're ready to swap your Ethereum. The next step we have to take after logging in is to transfer our Ethereum coins that we purchased at Coinbase into our Metamask wallet. In your Metamask wallet, select Details, and then select the wallet address underneath the QR code, right-click it, and copy it, and then return to Coinbase, and in the send form, put in that address that you just copied into the recipient address. Determine how much Ethereum you want to send to your Metamask wallet to exchange for DNA, and then click Continue. Coinbase will ask you to authenticate, and then click Confirm. Now we're going to start the swap process. Visit easytrade.io in your browser, and when you arrive, you'll see a box on the right-hand side that says BNB. Click the letters BNB, and in the search box that pops up, type DNA until the DNA pops up in that box. Put in the amount of DNA you'd like to buy. In this case, we're buying 250 DNA, and make sure your Metamask wallet is loaded in the next screen. Click on the Confirm box. Now your Metamask wallet will pop up another confirmation screen asking you to confirm that you want to send your Ethereum to this service to swap for DNA. On the right-hand side, you'll see an updated status of the transaction, and when the box says Transaction Successful, you're ready to complete the final steps for getting your DNA coins recognized in your Metamask wallet. We're now going to return to our Metamask wallet and click the transaction, and that will take us to the Etherscan view. In that window, click on DNA, and you'll now be on the DNA token contract page. In the contract field on the right, select the address for the contract and copy it. Return to Metamask and click on the Add Token button on the lower left-hand side, and in the box that pops up, click Custom Token. Paste in the contract address into the token address field and click Next. You'll see the DNA tokens you just purchased and click Add Tokens. That's it. All of your token purchases are now in your Metamask wallet, ready to be used on the Gene Chain Marketplace. Thank you for watching, and please hit subscribe below if you're watching on YouTube.